Hi, I'm Tracy, and this is my 112 term project, iStockUp, a stock application tool that helps you make better trading decisions. Let's start off by logging in. Now that I'm done with that, I'm faced with two options, to view graphs or to strategize. I'm going to view graphs first. Here I can enter the name of the stock and the time range. I'm thinking about Apple from January 1st to March 22nd. Here I can check out a candlestick graph of Apple or a solid line graph of Apple. I'm going to check out the candlestick graph of Apple first. Now I'm going to head back and view the solid line graph. The solid line graph of Apple has a special feature of making a 10-day prediction. And I was able to make this 10-day prediction by using a combination of RBF and linear regression. Now I'm going to head back and strategize. Here is a table where I can enter the stock that I'm interested in, whether to buy or short it, the number of shares that I want of that stock, and the date at which I want to claim my earnings. I'm going to enter Amazon. I'm going to buy it at 100 shares, and I want to check out how much I earn by May 20th. Now I click calculate, and this is what I get. So this was the current price at which I bought 100 shares. This was how much I had to pay in total for Amazon. This is the future price, and this is how much I earned from Amazon. And this over here shows my overall earning based on the stocks that I enter in this table. But what if I'm unsure about whether to buy or short Amazon? No problem. I can click on recommend, enter Amazon, view the recommendation, and get the recommendation that I should buy Amazon because the price is going up. So that was about all to my term project, iStockUp. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.